morning, media partners. Hope your headlines stretch better than this whoopee cushion.
Decaf or decoy, either way, keeps the questions short.
Mike Flagg's Switch network loyalty is about to get complicated.
Teleprompter now scrolls dad jokes, breaking news meets broken punchlines.
Press bus horns play, La Cucaracha keeps morale wiggling.
Green screen swap weather backdrop now shows tumbleweeds. Could be tomorrow's forecast for certain talking points.
Push alert sent. Exclusive. Free barbecue outside 2 blocks the wrong direction.
Last question. Please speak into the banana. Potassium improves audio clarity.
Press prank day overtrust remains intact-ish. Laughs logged. Headlines pending fact check.